Antonia. Hola Carolina. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here again. Okay, today we made the palo de agua. Yeah, the palo de agua, rain stick in English. And we need this container from the paper towel. From the kitchen, you need two, yeah? Or one if you just make one, it's okay. Rice in here. For the sound, we need rice. Glue. Texta if you want. And this paper with different design. Yeah, different design, different colors, and scissors, and this paper, the blank or the white paper. We will start. If you want, you can color in and design your blank paper. Yeah. The first one is this. I will cover my like this. Okay. One. And also I need this. This is recycling too. We need to make the circle with this. I may look in here. Can you see? Yeah. Need to be a little bigger because we need cut and cut the edge as well. I need 4 of these. One for each. I have 4. And I use this one. And for this, you need to make again the circle. Yeah. And now you need to cut around for the next step. Can you see? Until the circle. Okay? Like this. I make the sun, the sol, un sol. Parece que fuera un sol, miren. ¿Ya? Ya. Entonces, ahora I paste in here. If the glue is not really strong, we need the sticky tape. Okay. This you need paste like this, and your palo de agua or rain stick look like this, Can you see properly? Yeah? Okay. And the same thing, you need to repeat the same thing with this, another one. Make the circle. Now, with this paper, you need to make 3 and 4. Cut 4. And we need to paste. But before to paste, you need to make fold with the accordion, like the accordion. Like this. Okay, now you paste in here, in the circle. Yeah, the circle. Just with the sticky tape. Like this. You need to paste like this in the circle. It's like this. Look like this. Yeah? And you put in here rice, and we need to put everything inside. Maybe we need more of this little thing. Yeah? The sound is good, but it's not really like perfect. And we make the another octopus leg with this, but longer. Yeah. Like this. Fold. And make bigger, longer, and we paste in the cardboard again. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we try again. Okay, we try again. Oh, this is nice. Now we need to close. Very tight. Wow! It's really good. Okay, and with this, the paper we choose with the design. Yeah, we will cover the whole palo de agua. And I'm thinking in paste with the sticky tape as well. We have one of them. Okay, and you need to repeat the same thing with another one. You can make like this. The lines, dot,